Yes.
Okay, so guys, let's start our session. So first of all, okay, I'm informing to all of you, this is the class regarding all the kind of advanced module which will help you to crack an interview in a real time. Means means what? You did a session on a Windows administration, right? Previously, before my classes, you did a class on a Windows administration on a Windows Server Active Directory like that. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I see. What are you thinking? Till now, what you did, it's enough.
No, sir.
Don't know, sir. We don't know.
Actually, don't know what is the requirement.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
you don't know what's the requirement of a company, which kind of technical skills they required, right? So
Right,
that's
sir.
what. Okay, that's why this is the session with me. You will be for 15 to 20 days next. Correct. In which I will tell you everything. Means it's a mix-up class. Okay, I will tell you everything: Windows, network, this, that, whatever, basics of cloud, ITIL, troubleshooting. Okay, all the things which will help you to go for a real time. Correct. Okay, let's try to understand first of all my point of view. Till now, from starting to till now, you did a session. Okay, you have given you 1 month.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Exact 1 month. I'm telling you how. First week, okay, in a 1 month, there is a 4 week, right? 7 for the 28, approx 20 days. Okay, and a first week, you did a class on a network when you first registered in a company. First time. Okay, you did a class on a network, which is a IP address.
Yes, sir.
Basic networking we did, sir.
Yeah, basic networking, which is a IP address. In short, you can say it's not a basic. It's only IP address topic, right? An IP address you did. Number second week you promoted in my class again, if you remember,
Yes,
for a
sir.
virtualization.
Yes, sir.
Correct. In which I given you VMware and some software, which which will help you to create a virtual machine, use it. Okay. Second week completed in a virtualization. Third and fourth week, you did a session with Rahul Das sir. It was regarding
Yes,
Windows
sir.
administration,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
in which Windows 10, Windows Server, this kind of topics you did. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So guys, okay, and you know the training program is a 45 to 50 days. Correct. 50 days, 45 days is
Yes,
saying, but you know 45 days continue class. Okay, in which you have a Sunday, something festival leave. Okay, sometime trainer are not available. Okay, something issues, network issue, health issue, you know. So the training program actually 45 days to complete. So 30 days completed, 15 to 20 days is more pending. So you will spend your 15 to 20 days with me in this class for preparation of everything so that you can be ready for a real time.
Yes, sir.
You can be ready for a real time. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So guys,
Sir,
actually
we
this
did yeah, Roshan sir classes also, na 2 weeks.
what?
So we did Roshan sir classes also, like Linux and CCNA classes for 1 week, 2 weeks. There.
So it was a means you can say completely you have given your 1 month till now, right?
Sir, for few people, we didn't attended any Linux or any other classes till now.
Okay, I'm not sure about because we have multiple people right now.
Yeah.
Correct. I'm not sure about all of you, but what is generally happening? That's I'm sharing with you. Correct. Okay, so I see. Actually, what is going on? As you know, okay, in a company, you will go for a profile that will be a system engineer. Okay, for a girls, it will be a network system engineer and technical service desk engineer, and it may be system analyst. This okay. So for these all kind of designation is different. Only the name is different. The things are same. Okay, I am giving understanding to you. What's happening? Just assume someone is calling me teacher and someone is calling me trainer. Is there any differences?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Only
sir.
mail.
So that's why now the same thing is happening. Some companies hiring a desktop engineer, some companies hiring a system engineer, some companies hiring a system analyst, some companies hiring a technical service engineer. So the name they are saying different. But as a person, your responsibility will be same. You should have the same skills. Skills सब में same होनी चाहिए. What is the designation doesn't matter,
Yes, sir.
right? So okay, so that's why say right now what's happening. Okay, first of all, okay, I'm clearly one thing, which kind of skills is required actually. Correct. Which is kind of skills is required, means which is kind of skills, knowledge you should have so that you can go for a real-time interview and you can perform everything. Right. You don't know actually which things you need to run. आपको पता ही नहीं है क्या क्या आपको करना है.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are getting a virtualization, Windows, network, CCNA, Linux, security.
Security, cloud.
Right. Different things you are getting. But what is the exact you should know? Right. So let's see. Skills number one, no doubts, it's a networking. It's a network. Okay, that I am writing networking. Networking means what? You did a class on a basics of network, which is IP address on a first week. Number one. Number second, maybe some people are getting a CCNA session right now and some will get from next week. So CCNA plus basics of network, both are a part of a networking module. Cisco routing and switching plus the IP address basics networking, in which you have a OSI model, TCP IP model, cabling, network devices, routing, switching, VLAN, routing protocol. This all thing is a part of a networking. So you should have a knowledge about these all things. आपके पास इन सब का knowledge होना चाहिए. Maybe your CCNA classes started today, right?
So it's
Yes, sir.
I think
It's over.
See, we have multiple people. So some people say CCNA started. Some people is okay. For some people CCNA is going on. For some people CCNA will start on a next week. But definitely you will get a class on a CCNA. All of you. Maybe someone got already. Someone is doing the class right now. For someone today it started because today is a Monday. Maybe from someone the next week it will start. But all of you will get it. It's just 100%. So means in your mind you have to fix it. Networking is the also skill that is required. Interviewer in a company can ask you any questions regarding networking. Remember, number one is skills. Number two,
sir, could you please list down the topics within the networking which we have to focus mainly on?
first of all, once all of you will complete your networking class, correct? Then I will tell you, because I'm 100% sure of what you are getting, what you will get in a networking, in a CCNA will be enough. Correct. Okay, the Bhusit sir, Roshan sir, who will give you a class? I know both of. Yeah, I know both of. Okay. And we planned a module. That's why you don't need to worry. We planned a module with each other, right?
Yes, sir.
I informed him what you should give in a class. Not too much deeply and not the basics. Everything. What is required? So that's why what are the topics and all you will get and you are getting and you got from eVision, that will be enough for you for a job internship purpose. Okay. After networking, then you have a Windows. Okay, that we are calling a Windows administration. Okay, that you have done of 2 weeks of class, no doubts. Okay, but guys, Windows administration having some kind of different thing. How? It's a combination of 2 different modules. Windows administration is a combination of 2 different modules. 2 different modules in the sense it's a combination of Windows client OS.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
in which you have a Windows 10 OS.
Yes, sir.
Windows client OS. And number second, you have a
Administration.
Windows Server OS. Windows Server OS. In which what is the versions you are using doesn't matter. क्या version आप use करो वो matter नहीं करता. It should be a server only. It should be a server operating system. That's a Windows Server OS. Then skill number third that all of you should have. It's a mail, about a mail. Mail means Outlook, which is generally referred by a company. You should have a great knowledge on a Outlook mail. All of you should have a great knowledge on Outlook mail, how to configure, how to troubleshoot, what is a file inside Outlook, everything all of you should know. Correct. And then the skill number 4, okay, is the basics about, okay, not deeply, remember, basics about Microsoft Office 365 Cloud. Basics that no one knows here. Basics about a Microsoft Office 365 Cloud. Then number 5, okay, it will be troubleshooting of every kind of issues. Guys, just assume you are working for a company. If anyone is getting any kind of error, who will solve? Technical error, in the short, technical error. You are responsible, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes.
Means all of you should know how to solve an issue. Issues को solve कैसे करना है? So before
Yes,
this, all
sir.
of you should know which kind of issues may happens. कौन सा issue आ सकता है basically? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because all of you need to remember one thing. What is going on? I know and you know you are a fresher. You are doing a training here and then you are getting the knowledge. But the company will not know, na? Anyone will ask you, anyone will hire you for their company as an experience holder, right? As you are getting a 1 year of experience from this company. Correct?
Yes.
Listing all of you.
Yes, sir.
So guys, when you are giving an interview, correct, with a 1 year of experience, so what are you expecting? They will ask what is the IP address? No.
No.
Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
They will never ask what is IP
Yes,
address.
sir.
They will ask what is the issue comes with IP address. Issues क्या आता है? How are you solving? आप solve कैसे कर रहे हो इस चीजों को? Means the troubleshooting skill. What is the skill name? Troubleshooting.
Troubleshoot.
Okay. And the last one, topic which is not a technical, जो technical नहीं है. The sixth one is skills that all of you should have. It's not a technical skill. It's a related management skill. Because now tell me, why any company is hiring an experienced holder as compared to fresher? कोई भी company क्यों बोलती है कि मुझे experienced holder ही चाहिए? I will not hire a fresher. Why? Because the person who have experience can manage the services. Correct?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
So that's why you are getting experience. So you should also know how to manage the services.
Yes.
आपको भी आनी चाहिए. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why for running a management service, that how a company delivering a service, how would you work there? So there is a module. I hope you listen the name ITIL. ITIL.
Yes, sir.
Maybe okay when you get a demo session. Before this, someone has informed you. The HR has sent you some prospective of a job, some PDF file. There you have seen this name. So it's also important. So guys, this is the 6 skills that all of you should have to crack an interview. Minimum this all. And Linux, security, or a extra. Linux and cyber security. Okay, what are the class you are getting and you will get in the future, for example. So it's for a knowledge purpose. and to learn more and more things ताकि आप ज़्यादा चीजें को सीख सको. In actual, these are our requirements. Okay, on the first day of the class, I'm clearing everything. I'm not saying to not run a Linux. I'm not saying to not run a cloud. I'm not saying to not run a security. You need to run that one also, because knowledge in IT, anyone can grow once the people having a knowledge. So what are the classes of a Linux security you are getting? Maybe someone will get, will also important, but not for a job purpose, for a running and knowledge purpose. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
Now
have one
it's-
question. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes, sir.
actual
Yes, sir.
skills
Yes,
you should
sir.
have?
Yes, sir.
So guys, just give me a minute.